Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, yeah, before we start, no, mga goddess, start with you, Cancer. So, kamusta ka dyan, Cancer, no? Anong meron sa ating mga Cancer right now, no? So, check natin, no? Ito naman tong reading natin for today is about third party situation, right? No, kung wala naman kayong third party, so wag kayong pwede kayong manood, but then wag kayong mag-a-assume, right? Kasi baka, 'di ba, kapag kasabi ko nga, it's all about faith, no? Kapag naniniwala kayo, lalo na kapag malakas yung paniniwala nyo, may tendency kasing nagkakatotoo yan. So, kapag ang negativity ay naniniwala kayo, mas malakas ang negativity na magkakatotoo, right? No? So, yeah, let's start with you. Again, no, Cancer. So, tignan natin, no, anong third party situation sa mga Cancer. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for you, Cancer, no? 3 cards for Cancer, please. Universe, no? 3 Cancer. 3 cards. I mean 6 cards pala, sorry, no? 6 cards for Cancer, no? Para sa kanilang third party situation, no? So, let's see. Anong third party situation sa ating mga Cancer right now? So, yeah. Kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Cancer. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, no? So, let's see. Ano yan? So, tignan natin. So, meron dito, no, nakikita nyo na, no, meron dito, scandal exposed, no, so maybe, some of you Cancer, no, yung third party ay na-expose talaga, no, kumbaga ay, pwedeng sabihin natin social media, na-expose, or talagang literally na-expose, no, nalaman nyo talaga agad-agad to, no, at scandal, no, for some of you, no, may scandal pa, siguro video, no, for some of you. And what else? So, you have this loving, no? So, meron ditong loving person, right? And justice, court, no? So, maybe for some of you, no, meron ng legal matters dito na involved, no? Separation, maybe. And meron ding check-in, no? So, maybe of course, third party, saan ba sila nagkikita, right? No? So, alam na this, right? So, what else? So, problem solved, no? So, yan, no? Meron na nga, kasi nga justice na, no? So, for some of you, Cancer, maybe tapos na ito, no? Nangyari na, no? Kasi problem solved na, no? Kumbaga, natapos na, no? Na-expose na, nagkaroon na ng legal separation, maybe, or demandahan, nagkaroon na rin, no? And then, what else? Meron, may secret admirer na naman na friend, no? Something like that. No? Parang sa earth sign din, meron din ako nakitang ganito. No? So, yan, no? May nakita na ako dito. So, for some of you Cancer, no, tapos na itong third party na ito, no? So, maybe ay talagang naging magulo ang naging relasyon ninyo ng iyong person, no? And again, no, vice versa to, no? Pwedeng ikaw or pwede rin yung person mo itong tinutukoy natin, right? No, basta kung sino lang din makaka-resonate sa reading natin, right? No, so meron nga dito, no, justice has been served na talaga, no, meron ng kung baga parang siguro meron ng may nakulong na siguro for this, no, baka nga kung sino yung nahuli with this scandal exposed, baka nahuli na siya, nahuli sila, no, something like that, and then yun na nga, no, nagkademandahan, and maybe may nakulong na rin for some of you, or legal matters, no, kumaga ay nagkaroon na talaga ng demandahan dito, no, so maybe with this check-in, no, doon nahuli, no, For some of you, kasi scandal, maybe ganun, no? Hindi natin alam. Baka for some of you, kayo yung lumalabas sa tulpo, right? Hindi natin alam. Kasi yun nga, may scandal. And then, di ba, lagi na sa social media, may mga lumalabas dito na video-video na nasa motel, right? No? So, yun, maybe one of you, no? Nangyari to sa inyo, right? No? So, I think ay tapos na ito, no? So, nangyari na. So, justice is served na. So, maganda rin naman, at least natapos na, no? And for some of you, ay kung hindi pa man, no, meron na kayong hint, no? Siguro, ganito, no? Katulad ng ginawa nito, I think this one na nangyari sa inyo, Cancer, is naging private investigator kayo dito, right? No, sinusundan nyo. So maybe ganun ang pwede for some of you, no? Kung talagang meron kayong hinala sa inyong person, right? No, so but then hinay-hinay lang, no? Kasi maybe for some of you hinala lang. But then kasi kapag may gut feeling ka na rin, no? May malakas kang pakiramdam, no? Possible meron talaga, no? So, kailangan din dito ay pinag-aaralan nyo yung inyong intuition, right? No? Palakasin nyo yan. So, isa rin yan sa magiging weapon ninyo, no? Against sa mga manloloko sa paligid, right? No? So, yeah, that's it na mga Cancer. So, yeah. And then, of course, no, for some of you, Cancer, may sumingit dito, no? A secret admirer, no? So, this is a loving person, no? With this, no? So, I think the secret admirer of yours, Cancer, or ikaw, Cancer, may nagugustuhan ka, a friend of yours, no? A very loving person, no? Vice versa, no? So, I think this is the real one, no? This is the one na, no? For sure, no? And I know for sure na in the near future, confess ito ng kanyang feelings for you, right? No? So, maybe dahil nga single na kayo because nagkaroon na ng legal separation here, right? No? So, ready na tong secret admirer na ito, kung sino man ito, na I know for sure kilala nyo na rin because this is a friend of yours, right? No? So, I think this is the one na hinihintay lang niya magkaroon ng ending, no? Something like that, para siya ay makapasok na rin at makapag-confess ng kanyang feelings, right? No? So, let's see what else, no? What else? Ano pang messages? Tignan natin. Kuha tayo dito ng 2 cards for you, Cancer. 2 cards for Cancer. Tignan pa natin. 2 cards for anong mga involved pa, no? Involved na possible na signs sa mga Cancers natin, right? No, so, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for Cancer. 1, 2. So, you have this Jupiter, no? So, yan, no? For talagang meron na ritong talagang nagbago na, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon na ng pagbabago with the Jupiter, no? Mga Cancer. Kasi to kung sa Tarot ay ito yung Wheel of Fortune, eh. So, talagang umikot na yung, kumbaga sabihin natin, umikot na yung gulong ng palad na something like that na, yun nga kasi may na-expose na, ganyan. So, talagang yung justice ay kumbaga ay na-serve na talaga, no? So, umikot na, tables has been turned, no? Something like that, no? So, what else? So, you have this Pluto, no? So, yeah, meron din dito, no? For some of you, because of that, no, nagiging more attractive kayo, no, with the Pluto. Big transition to, no, transformation talaga yung nangyayari sa inyo mga Cancer, no, because right now, nagkakaroon na kayo ng mas maraming time para sa sarili ninyo. That's why, nagkakaroon ng glow up dito, no, for some of you, no, transformation talaga, no, so, dahil nagkakaroon na kayo ng time para sa sarili nyo, no? So, meron ditong transformation na nagaganap, no? For some of you, Cancer, right? No? So, tignan pa natin what's, another, more messages pa, no? Another messages pa, no? For you, Cancer. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Cancer. 2 cards for Cancer. Hindi natin kukunin yung nahuhulog. 2 cards for Cancer. 2 cards for Cancer. So, tignan natin. So, 'di ba nga no, court case, annulment, child support, abuse, no, talagang meron talaga rito. So, meron na talagang court na involved, no. So, talagang tama yung lumabas sa unang deck nyo, justice court, no. Talagang for some of you may mga anak pala kayo, no, kaya talagang may legally involved talaga rito na humingi talaga ng child support. And tapos na rin, no. So, nanalo na, kumbaga parang problem solved na, no. So, kumbaga justice has been served na, no. So, what else? Queen of Truth, cut off, smart, independent. So, right now, no, mga Cancer, no, you are this, no, like a Queen of Swords, no. Talagang, kasi nalaman mo na yung totoo, no, na-expose na, and from that, talagang you are now being so smart and independent, no. So, napakalakas ng personality nyo na right now, no, dahil may transformation, no, mga Cancer. So, tignan natin from the universe, no, sa inyo mga Cancer natin. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Cancer. Message or advice from the universe. Message or advice from the universe, no? So, talagang saktong-sakto, no? Talagang nagkaroon ng demandahan dito, no? So, 'di ba, no? Big changes talaga, no? So, talagang with the Pluto, fortune talaga, no? Kumbaga, malaking pagbabago, no? With this, no? Big changes, no? So, message, embrace the big changes that is natin, no. So, talagang you are so overwhelmed with this, no. So, with this, nakikita mo may debris supported by the universe, no. So, napakaganda, no. So, going up, no, being more beautifully, no, something like that, no. So, I'm happy for you, no. And then, meron pang paparating na bagong love for you, no. So, but then, mag-ingat-ingat na lang din sa mga tao na sa paligid, right, no. So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Cancer, no. Ang maganda yung naging reading for you, mga Cancer, no. So, natapos na yung mga burdens sa buhay ninyo, no. So, yeah, I hope na, I know may mga naka-resonate dito, no. So, yeah, that's it. And thank you for watching, Cancer. So, yeah, no, let's continue with you, Scorpio. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Scorpio natin, no? So, let's see what's the third party situation sa mga Scorpio natin. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Scorpio. 6 cards for Scorpio, please. No, 6 cards for Scorpio. No, anong third party situation meron sa mga Scorpio natin? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, no? So, let's see. So, meron dito, no, educated, no? So, yan, no, kumbaga ay, sabihin natin, hindi naman intelligent masyado, but then educated na in the sense of may delikadesa, no, something like that na. So, let's see what else I mean. So, skinny, short lady, no? So, meron ditong skinny, short lady, no? So, what else? Big eyes, no? So, may big eyes dito. So, tingnan pa natin. Parents new. Oh, meron dito, no? May, sandali, ayusin lang natin. Yan, para makita nyo. So, yan, no, parents nyo, no? So, for some of you, Scorpio, alam ng parents ang third party. So, meron ditong pregnant, no, set up, and, oh, what's this? May true love. Yan, no? So, parang hindi ko to nakikita ang third party, no? So, for some of you, Scorpio, no, parang Scorpio, no, parang meron ka ditong nagugustuhan. Something like that, no? So, maybe, yan, no, for some of you, ang nakikita ko rito, Scorpio, na maybe if you are masculine, no, ang nakikita ko rito, no, Scorpio, kumbaga, ano, no, parang with the pregnant setup, no, kumbaga parang, yeah, kasi kung ang nakikita ko rito mga Scorpio, no, meron dito may short lady, no, skinny short lady. I don't know kung kayo ba ito, Scorpio, ganito ba kayo, skinny, no, balingkinitan, sabi natin mapayat, yeah, no, slim talaga, no, and hindi siya ganun katangkara, no, but then this one is educated person, no, has a big eyes, no, for some of you. Maybe, I don't know kung ito ba ay yung third party sa inyo ng iyong person, right? This person, this lady was a skinny, slim type body, no? Who is uneducated and has a big eyes, right? No? And of course, with the parents nyo, no? For some of you, no? Kumaga sinasabi dito na alam ng mga parents, no? So, maybe kung sino yung may third party dito, alam ng parents, no? And then kapag kumbaga parang yung third party na sinasabi dito kasi ano kumbaga ay sinasabi ayun daw talaga yung mahal niya. No? Sorry to say that. So kumbaga kung sino dito Scorpio, no, if you are in this third party situation, kung ikaw man yung may third party, ang nararamdaman mo sa third party mo is siya yung true love mo. And parang gusto mo, if you are the masculine, no, kaya ako tinatanong, no, kumbaga ay mahal mo tong tao na ito, no, mga Scorpio, no. And if not, no, if your person has the third party, no, kung ikaw ay babae man, so maybe, ay kung ikaw yung third party, no, so mahal ka ng person mo, no, na you are dealing with, no, kung ikaw man yung third party, no. So, just take what's resonate, no. So, may alam ang parents dito, no, sa nangyayari, no. Yeah, alam nila kung ano man tong nangyayari with the third party, right? No, so maybe for some of you ay buntis nga itong third party na to, or if not, no, in the near future, no, may nagpaplano na silang mag-baby, no, ng third party, no. Just take again what's resonating with you guys, no. So yeah, so ayun lang naman yung nakita natin, no. Yeah, medyo nakakaano lang, no, with the third party kasi alam ng parents, no. Yeah, so let's see what else, no, ano pang messages. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here for you, Scorpio. 2 cards for Scorpio. No, again, no, just take what's resonate. Kung sino yung may big eyes, pwedeng person mo or ikaw, right? No, kung saan may nakaka-resonate kayo dyan. No? But then, ang nakikita ko kasi rito is yung third party ay mahal talaga ng person na yun. Right? No, so what else? Tingnan pa natin. Yeah, no, sorry for that, no, mga goddess, no, so yung mga anak ko ay makukulit. So, yeah, no, meron ditong Mars. So, mga Scorpio natin, with the Mars, no, wait lang. Alam ko to kasi ang Mars is, Kumbaga, ito yung ano natin eh, parang sabihin nating, pag sinabi nating Mars, ito yung matitigas ulo eh, no? Something like that, no? Yeah. So, i-check ko lang kung tama ba yung pagka. Yeah, no? With the Mars, no? Talagang meron dito na nagkaroon ng, kumbaga ay, yeah, no? With the Mars, no? Nagkaroon ng tower moment, no? For some of you talaga, mga Scorpio, no? So, talagang meron talaga ritong third party, no? So, with the tower moment, nagkaroon ng pag-iisip, no? Kung sino man yung na-involved sa third party, no? Nagkaroon siya ng choices. Kumbaga, hindi man choices, decisions ba? Kumbaga, with this Mars, no? Meron na pagdesisyonan dito, no? Kung sino man yung may third party involved, no? That person is choosing the third party, no? Because, para sa kanya, ayun yung true love niya, no? Something like that, no? So, sorry to say, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Maybe for some of you talagang pinili na yung third party and right now buntis na siya, no? Or, yun nga, ay nagpaplano na rin sila na mag-baby, no? So, what else? With the sun, 'di ba sabi ko sa inyo, no? So, kasi nga with the sun, no, literally, no, siya yung happiness ng that third person is the happiness, no? Kung sino man yung na-involved sa third party is masaya sila, no? Ayun yung kasiyahan nila, masaya sila, and with this true love, no, maybe for some of you talaga, ayun yung true love, no, nararamdaman nila, no? Yeah, with the sun, and literally maybe with the sun may anak na talaga sila, right? No, so another additional messages for you, mga Scorpio. Maybe for some of you hiwalay na rin kayo nito, no? Tinanggap nyo na lang din yung mga pangyayari, right? No, maybe talaga ay hindi rin kayo para sa isa't isa, no? For some of you, kung sino man yung na-involved sa third party, no? Kung sino man yung iniwan because of third party, right? No, meron na rito kasi pinili niya na yung third party, no? Pinili niya. So, what else? Tignan natin. Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here. So, let's see. So, you have these dreams, manifesting wishes, no? So, talagang itong third party na nangyayari na ito ay talagang wish fulfillment, no? Para sa kanila, no? So, talagang dream nila, kumbaga, naramdaman talaga nila dito yung true love, no? So, yan, no? I know, may nasasaktan din pa rin dito, no? But then, for some of you, nag-get ko na ito ay tapos na, and na talagang right now, happy na yung pinili, no? Something like that, no? Naka-move on na rin yung person na sino yung naunang person, right? No? So, what else? Virgo, liar, cheating, guilty. So, meron nga rito, maybe for some of you, Scorpio, no? O kung you are dealing with the Virgo, right? No? So, siya yung nag-cheat, no? Or, yeah, siya yung nag-cheat for some of you, mga Scorpio, no? So, kung sino man yung nag-cheat dito, right, no? So, right now ay masaya siya, no? Or maybe for some of you, kung yung nag-cheat dito ay pwedeng sabihin nating wala na talaga, nagkahiwalay na, and maybe ikaw ito, Scorpio, no? Dahil nga na-feel mo na talagang inano ka, binetray ka, no? You are being cheated on, no? So, right now, natagpuan mo na rin yung iyong true love, no? Something like that. So, ngayon, masaya ka na rin. Pwedeng ganun rin, no? So, vice versa naman to, no? So, kung sino yung niloko right now, nakatagpo na rin ng true love, no? So, ayun din yung pwedeng naging scenario dito, no? Mga Scorpio natin, right? No? So, tignan naman natin what's the message or advice for you, no, mga Scorpio, from the universe, no? Advice or message for you, mga Scorpio. Tignan natin. Advice or message for you, Scorpio. Let's see. So, unconscious games, no? So, talagang before nga, kasi nga, ay dilala ka ng person mo sa unconscious game, no? Something like na ginawa ka niya sa isa sa mga options niya na feeling niya ay you are just one of his or her options, right? Na pagka parang in competition, right? No, kumbaga parang pag wala yun sa'yo yung hinahanap niya, hahanap siya ng iba, right? No, so ganun yung nangyayari, no? Kasi nga nag-mind games sa'yo tong person na to, no? Pinaniwala ka niya sa mga hindi katotohanan, no? Something like that. But then, of course, tapos na yun. So, for me, sinasabi sa'yo ni universe is tapos na to, nangyari na, and just move on, no? Forget and surrender all of this to universe, no? From them, no? So, lahat ng sakit and pain is isurrender mo na, mga Scorpio. And right now, continue mo na lang yung iyong life. Focus on yourself, no? For your stability, no? Continue manifesting your dreams, your wishes, right? No? So I'm sure in the near future, ay ma-reach or makakamit mo din lahat yan, right? No? So, basta wala tayong tinatapakan na tao, right, mga Scorpio. So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Scorpio. So, I hope na naka-resonate ka sa ating reading today. And, yeah, thank you for watching, Scorpio. So, yeah, no, let's continue with you, Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Pisces natin? So, let's see anong third party, no, situation sa mga Pisces natin. So, wait lang, ayusin lang natin again ang ating cam. No, so yeah, let's see. Third party, no, situation for the Pisces. Kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Pisces. 6 cards for Pisces, please. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, let's see. So, meron dito married, no? For some of you, Pisces, no? So, let's see. What else? No values, no? So, may bastos dito, no? Something like that. Arrogante. So, what else? Young woman, no? So, may young woman. So, meron na naman parents new. No, meron na naman tayong parents nyo dito. And mature man, woman. So, sex addiction. So, yan, no, ang nakikita ko dito, Pisces, no, married kayo ng person na ito. And ano to, no, kung sino man to, no, meron siyang sex addiction, no, for some of you, Pisces. That's why talagang nagkakaroon ng third party dito, no. Mahilig siya sa mga young woman, no, mahilig siya sa mga bata, no, something like that, no. So maybe for some of you, sabi natin hindi naman kayo katandaan, but then yung hinahanap niya is yung more young, no, sa edad ninyo, no, something like that, no. So nag-e-explore ito, no, mahilig, no. So may sex addiction na, and with that, no, kahit nasabi nating mature na to, no, mature na tong tao na to, but then 'di ba, meron siyang mga sex addiction, no, something like that, no. At kasal kayo nito, no, and ang mahirap pa nito is alam ng parents kung ano tong mga addiction na meron ang anak nila, no, something like that, no. So, yeah, no, that's why nagkakaroon ng problema sa inyong marriage, no. So, tignan pa natin. So, talagang, I don't know kung okay pa ba kayo ng person na ito right now, no. So, medyo magulo na yung sitwasyon nito for some of you, mga Pisces natin, no. So, tignan pa natin what else, no. 2 cards here. Kuha tayong 2 cards for you, Pisces. 2 cards for Pisces. So, 1 and 2. So, you have this Venus, no? So, Venus, of course, no? Kumbaga, ito yung love, passion, right? No? So, kumbaga, right now, no? For some of you you are so passionate, loving person, right? No? Kaya nasasamantala rin kayo, no? So, what else? No? And then, maybe for some of you, you are dealing with an Aries, no? So, talagang medyo stubborn, no? Something like that, no? So, kahit sabi mong mature na or may edad na to, no? Immature pa din siya, no? Something like that, no? With the sex addiction, no? Talagang may mga addiction itong tao na ito, right? No? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Or vice versa, again, no? Pwedeng ikaw Aries ito and then yung person mo yung with sex addiction, which is a Pisces, right? No? So, let's see what else, no? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards here, no? Kasi yung isa rito ay masyadong mapagmahal, no? Kaya nasasamantala talaga, right? No? Kaso lang hindi inisip ng pati parents, no? Sino man yung magulang dito, kinokonsente pa yung anak nila, no? Na may ganun na talaga, right? No? So, what else? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards, no? So, talagang minsan ang pati magulang ay nakakasira din ng relasyon. Imbis na itama, no? Itama yung sitwasyon, kinukonsinti pa, no? Something like that, no? So, Sagittarius, no? So, maybe a fire sign, no? Talaga yung kadil ninyo, no? Liar, sneaky talaga, no? Maybe Sagittarius din for some of you, no? Or literally a fire sign, right? No? So, what else? Diba, talagang liar, backstab, not true, arrogant, boastful, no? Sex based, no? Talagang may sex addiction talaga itong tao na ito, no? I don't know kung hiwalay na kayo rito or if not, no, maybe mag-isip-isip na kayo. It's time for a decision here, no? Kailangan nyo nang mag-decision dito, no, mga Pisces natin. So, let's see what's the message or advice for you ni Universe, no, mga Pisces natin. Message or advice for you ni Universe, Pisces. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Pisces. So, trust your intuition, no, mga Pisces. So, ina-advise ka dito ni Universe to trust your intuition, right? No, so kailangan mo rito kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, ayun ang sundin mo. Maniwala ka sa pakiramdam mo. No, maybe malakas talaga yung intuition mo, your gut feeling. So, wag kang mag-doubt, right? No, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo is yan ang tama, yan ang dapat gawin, no? Something like that, no, mga Pisces natin. So, ayan ang advice for you ni Universe, no, mga Pisces. So, I know naka-resonate ka sa ating reading for you today, Pisces. And, yeah, overall, no, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no, right? No, so, yeah, basta ay, yan, maniwala lang kayo sa sarili nyo at hindi talaga natin maiwasan yung mga tao talagang hindi makontento sa kanilang mga partner, no? Even though nakasal na kayo, married na kayo, right? No, nagagawa pa rin magloko, no? So, talagang ang hirap na din magtiwala sa ngayon, no? So, kasi lalo na kapag trust ang nasira, ang hirap na yung ibalik, no? So, but then, don't stop loving, no? Just be with kumbaga ay maniwala pa rin kayo sa true love, no? But then, pag-ingatan nyo na yung sarili ninyo, right? No? Kailangan ay protektahan nyo rin ang pagmamahal ninyo, right? No? Mas mahalin nyo yung sarili nyo para hindi kayo nasasaktan ng sobra-sobra, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, no? So, thank you for watching and God bless you all, water signs.